Hello Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. It is Libra season, so we're going to go ahead and tackle that today. But before we do, I did a little short yesterday introducing you to my little boba cow, but I think he needs a name. So after this, go watch that video and then come back and let me know what you think his name should be, or just leave it on that video. You can leave it on that short. Let me know, give me some ideas. For Libra season, we are going to start with this pretty Kiara Sky color. It's called Something Sweet. It's a very pretty tannish sort of nude color. It's got a tiniest bit of shimmer to it. And to add to the shimmer, we have picked these colors to go with it. Libra colors are pink and blue, so we're going to hit that hard. Now, this Kiara Sky is sticky, so I did not put anything on it before I started buffing this in. You can, it's entirely up to you, but I found it sticky enough to accomplish what I was going for. I did a little test strand, if you will, and I was happy with the result, and you can see the color payoff is really nice. And I think it doesn't hurt that this is a color and it's not clear, right? There's some pigment there to back it up. So what I'm doing is just buffing these four colors in. Actually, it's 4 different colors. It's 2 pinks and 2 blues. And we're buffing those together. I am not trying to do a full covering. We're leaving a little bit of that Something Sweet showing in the middle. And once we put the base coat on, right here I was looking at it like, do I like it? Do I like it? Do I like it? And then I did this and I went, oh, I like it. So we just kept going. Let me tell you a little story. Yesterday I did a different set for this. And the whole time I was doing it, I kept saying in my head, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. And I didn't. And the more I finished it, the more I worked on it, the more I didn't like it. And it looked like a child did it to my mind, right? And there are just some aspects of art that I need improvement on, and I think that was all there was to that. But when I was doing the editing this morning, because last night it was bothering me so much, I was having a hard time getting the editing done. And this morning I got up and I started working on it some more, and the more I worked on it, the more I was like, I cannot put this on my channel. I would rather not put a video up today than put this on my channel. So, and as you can see, we are doing 3 of these nails like this, and the other 2 are going to get a similar treatment, but a single, like one's pink, one's blue. You'll see that in a second. So I stopped working on it and went downstairs and played with my grandson for a couple minutes and talked to my daughter. And the more I talked to her, the more I was realizing, because I was telling her I don't like this set. And I was realizing that I had to take a stab at doing something else, that I wasn't going to give up having a video for today. I wasn't going to let you guys down, or let myself down, even more importantly, let myself down. So I decided, and you can see here, I'm just sort of blending them together in the middle, but not trying to completely cover that Something Sweet. I wanted a little bit of that to poke through. Sorry to interrupt myself there. So I just came up here and I sat down for 2 seconds and thought, what products do I have that I want to work with today? And I thought, my nail powders. I love those so much. And, you know, if Votino can get 1 billion views all the time using powders over and over and over again, I can do that too. So I love working with my powders and my chromes, and I decided not to hold back on that this time. You know, sometimes I'm like, no, I've been working with powders a lot. Let's do something else, which is kind of how yesterday's got started. This was originally what I was thinking was something with my pigment powders. And I moved away from that and did something I really wasn't that interested in. And I think that's why I didn't like it. So anyway, I got up today and did what I already said I did. And I went on ahead and came upstairs to my little studio / bedroom and whipped these out. It took me about 40 minutes to get this done. And I have to say it was time well spent. And Well, is it perfect? No. Is it better than what I did yesterday? I think so. I like it more. It makes me feel more proud of myself for doing this and for reaching for something other than what I had done, because I could have thrown that video up and just went, haha, nail fail, guys, I don't like these. And that was actually my daughter's suggestion, was just do it as a nail fail. And maybe I will. If you guys want to see that as a nail fail, let me know. I'll put something short and sweet together for you, and we can discuss what I need to work on, because really that's all it is. It's not so much a fail as I need to keep working on my craft, and there's nothing wrong with that, and I don't have to be embarrassed of that. But I don't want to put things on my channel that I'm not proud of, and I'm proud of this set. So we're adding some gems. I'm doing, of course, blue on the pink and pink on the blue. Both nails are going to have this exact treatment, and so I'm just going to show you this one. They're both so pretty, though. I'm super happy with this set, and considering that I just busted it out today for you on the day it's going live, that makes me super happy. It's like, who do I think I am, Philip DeFranco? I'm a big fan of Philip DeFranco's. Guys, I just wanted to show you how messy this is. Look at this. We are using some spider gel, and this is reflective glitter spider gel. It's by, I want to say Veronni is how you say it. It'll be listed below, of course, and it was from Amazon. Look how messy. I need to perfect. I need to perfect my application of this. Now, the two with gems don't need top coat. We press that directly into top coat. But we are going to top coat the others, and I'm going to do 2 top coats, but only show you one, because that spider gel, that's bumpy. So you either need a base coat and a top coat, or 2 top coats, or some builder gel or something. This is our finished Libra set, and I have to say I'm glad I went for round 2. They came out super pretty. And you let me know in the comment section below if you agree with that or not. While you're down there, don't forget my goal this month, or this rest of this year rather, is 500 subs by the end of the year. So help me reach that by sharing, clicking, ringing the bell, and all of that. We will see you next week for a lot more. Bye-bye.